In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Outlook calendar. Whether you're using the new Outlook, the classic desktop app, or Outlook on the web, the process is very similar, so follow along and customize it to your setup. Let's start by setting up your calendars. Open Calendar, then choose Add Calendar. From here, you can bring in a work calendar, a personal calendar, shared team calendars, or even subscriptions from Google or Apple. Use from Directory to add internal calendars. From web to subscribe using an iCal link or upload file if you've exported a calendar. Once they're added, right-click each calendar to assign a color. Color coding is a simple way to separate work, personal, and shared items at a glance. Next, create and manage events. Click New Event and add a clear title, the date and time, a location, an online meeting link if needed, and a helpful description. For days you'll be away or focusing, toggle all day for things like vacations, holidays, personal time, or deep work days. Adjust the show as setting to free, busy, tentative, or out of office so others see your availability accurately. For meetings, send invites by creating a new event and adding attendees. If details change, open the event, edit it, and select Send Update so everyone receives the latest info. To cancel, choose Cancel Meeting and send the cancellation so it's removed from everyone's calendar. If someone else needs the details, open the event and forward it. When you receive invites, respond with accept, decline, or tentative to keep schedules aligned. Sharing and permissions are powerful. Go to Calendar, select Share, add people, and choose the right permission level. View busy only, view titles and locations, view full details, edit, or delegate for full management. To stop sharing, open sharing permissions and remove the person. To view a colleague's calendar, choose Add Calendar and select people's calendars. Keep things tidy by switching to List or Agenda View to quickly find and delete old events. For recurring items you no longer need, choose Delete Series to reduce clutter. Right-click any extra calendar and select Remove from View and toggle Holiday Calendars on or off from the left panel. When you need to compare schedules, turn on Overlay mode in the View menu to stack calendars, making conflicts easier to spot. To sync, subscribe to Google Calendar using Add Calendar and subscribe from web with the iCal link. Your phone will sync automatically once your Outlook account is added. Finally, boost productivity by setting reminders that fit your workflow, labeling events with categories like important or follow-up, blocking focus time for deep work, using search by name, subject, location, or date, and simply unchecking calendars you don't need to see.